The number one thunderstorm-related killer are flash floods. Most flash flood deaths occur in vehicles, and for this reason the slogan "Turn around, don't drown" is important. Moving water only 2 to 3 feet deep is capable of carrying away most vehicles. As a precaution, children should be kept away from creeks and washes when heavy rain is in the area. During nighttime hours, road conditions and water depth can be hard to see. Some more flash flood safety items. It is good practice to never cross through running water covering your roadway. If it is muddy, the road conditions and water depth are hard to determine, especially at night. The video shown here points out how rapidly a car can be swept away. For more information, please visit our webpage at www.weather.gov/Phoenix for up-to-date information and the latest forecast products. A NOAA weather radio is a great resource to be alerted with the most recent watches, warnings, and advisories in your area. The Phoenix National Weather Service office is on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. If you'd like, please check us out and follow along. Thank you for tuning in and have a safe monsoon.